Welcome, beautiful now. I was sitting here having fun playing with my energy. So here, just check this out. So what you're seeing is my aura, my frequency, and then you gotta love it. For those of you that are not on my mailing list, I've already placed out that the Arcturians are very clear that my time here in Sedona is done. So I will be leaving potentially end of December, potentially first part of January, not quite sure, still figuring out where to go. It's definitely going to be oceanside somewhere. That is for my and my partner Tony's next expansion, evolution for the next couple of years. So along with my number one priority is finding my home base, which potentially at this time could be Greece. As always, still will always be coming back to Sedona and places in the US and wherever divine and the Galactics take me. So what's been going on? As I reflected in the last video, end of August, there was a big Earth timeline shift. And then another one took place about 2 weeks ago. Some of you may have woke up realizing and feeling that you were in a different reality because yes, you are. Earth took a major shift. So things as you knew it, are no longer the same. Come on, you are to continue to follow the guidance, follow the inner knowing, and hearing for some of you that you actually need to keep to yourself. This is not hibernation, this is healing and expansion. Some of you might be like me. I have not been sleeping well. That's been why I've been pretty quiet. The Galactics have me working quite a bit at night. In fact, they visited me last night. They woke me up in the middle of the night by taking one of my rocks and banging it on the dresser, and the work began. Whatever that is for you, just keep going, just keep allowing it to move through you. Unfortunately, there's really not a lot we can do with I will say, sleepless nights. It's just part of the ascension process, okay? Hearing that it will get better. It is our bodies acclimating to the frequencies, these new frequencies here on Earth, and some of us are just more sensitive to it than others, okay? So if you need to have a tea or a cup of coffee in the morning, they say go ahead and do so with diligence or discernment. Organic teas, maybe mushroom coffee, and not overdoing it, okay? Hearing also to consider the intake of vitamin B complex, B12, and as always, vitamin C is wonderful and amazing for our ascension. I'm finding myself drinking more electrolytes and replacing my body with the minerals and vitamins, actually more minerals that I need for my body to continue working as it is. Especially for those of you who are healers out there, you may find that your body is depleted of minerals after your sessions. So to take necessary steps. As always, I am not here as a doctor, and this is your discernment, your knowing. And to test yourself, test your body. I always bring these supplements. Most of the time I take my supplements from the quantum field. But if I'm taking a physical supplement, I hold it up to my heart and I ask myself, do I need this? And if so, how many? 1, 2, generally no more than 2. And every day is different, okay? This is not about the old method of just saying what the bottle says. This is about really going deep within yourself and knowing what you need and what your body needs, okay? There's a lot that is going to transpire. There's a lot more coming forward, and we'll just let that happen, especially on the galactic contact open front, and we're just letting that unfold naturally, and I will keep you in tune to what's going on that. Sending you much love. Bye-bye.